Lighthouse Properties, Real Estate Development and Marketing. About us. Lighthouse Properties was started in the year 2012 as a startup to create wealth for its clients with buyer and seller services in the primary and secondary real estate markets. Of late, the company shifted its focus into the city's outer ring road based prime locations, catering exclusively to layouts and plot marketing. Milestones. Started in 2012 to create wealth for property buyers and sellers. 2014 ventured into partnering with multiple companies for exclusive marketing. 2019 independently opened our first office at Raidur Crossroads, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. 2020 signed first development plotting venture at Pharma City near Srisailam Highway. Our vision: to create over 5,000 investment opportunities for property buyers and sellers by 2030. Our mission: to create 300 plus investment opportunities by the end of 2020. To add 2 managers to the next 5 financial years to boost the benefits of our investors. To expand our office to 2,500 square feet by 2021. Our performance. The Lighthouse Properties have been experiencing 8 successful years into the field of real estate with over 670 plus satisfied property buyers. Sold 1,68,000 square yards of the land of 19 projects from 12 plus partnering companies. Major locations serviced. Lighthouse Properties sold majority of its plots in 1. The western part of Hyderabad, which are Kollur, Mokila, Bhanur, Patancheru, Shankarpalli. 2. The southern part of Hyderabad, Adibatla, Tukkuguda, Srisailam Highway, Pharma City, Maheshwaram and Shadnagar. Our team. Our managing partner has excelled 14 plus years of experience in the corporate and real estate sectors, accompanied by 18 skilled postgraduates allotted for various operations such as marketing and day-to-day operations, pre- and post-sale services. Our services: converting and developing lands into HMDA approved plots, marketing plots to retail property buyers, maintenance of developed layouts. 6 great reasons why you should choose Lighthouse Properties. Value creation, trust and transparency, assured resale, free pre-sales and post-sales service, free buying and selling advice, free plot maintenance services to each plot. Our premium partnering companies are Glentree Homes, SARC Projects, CBC Projects, Pavan Lifespace Developers, Akshita Infra and many more. Our premium retail customers are NRIs, doctors, government employees, software engineers, business owners and many more. In simple words, our prospective buyers could be you and your network. Testimonials. One of our esteemed seller, who is a software engineer, Mr. Prafulla Chandra, wrote in his own words, "I had to sell a plot and have approached Manjunath, who carries a good real estate experience with proper understanding of customers' requirements. Right from finding a customer to getting the plot registered, he ensured that whole process went smooth without any hiccups." Another NRI buyer, Mr. Dev Keshav, wrote in his own words, "Good morning, Manjunath. Yesterday, Praveen did a very good job of explaining all road details at sites and beyond. He explained potential opportunities of each site. Kudos to him. I can see where he is getting his inspiration or direction from." For more information, please visit www.lighthouseproperties.in or Walk into our office at flat number 302, 3rd floor, Supriya Estates, behind MJR Magnific, Prashanti Hills, Raidurg, Hyderabad, Telangana 500032. You can also reach one of our social networking sites as follows: Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube.